The Schluter KERDI-LINE-A adapter kit is used to convert clamping ring drains to KERDI-LINE linear drains when removal of the clamping ring drain is not practical. Let's take a look at what's inside the KERDI-LINE-A kit. The KERDI-LINE-A contains a 5.5-inch diameter steel adapter ring, which replaces the clamping ring of the installed drain, and a tube of KERDI Fix. The KERDI-LINE-A adapter kits can be used with either a mortar base or the Schluter KERDI-SHOWER-LT LTS prefabricated shower trays. This video will demonstrate how to install the KERDI-LINE-A. Remove the clamping ring from the installed drain. Be sure to save the bolts for the installation of the adapter ring. Align the bolt pattern of the clamping ring with the matching punch-outs in the adapter ring. The bolt patterns are designed to line up with the majority of clamping ring drains. Punch the matching inserts out through the adapter ring. Apply a continuous 1/4 inch to 3/8 inch bead of Schluter KERDI Fix to the underside of the adapter ring or on the clamping ring drain itself, making sure to encircle the bolt holes. Align the holes in the adapter ring with the bolt holes in the installed drain and place the adapter ring on the installed drain flange. Reinsert and tighten the bolts. Bolts are to be finger tight plus 1/4 turn. Use a crossing pattern to create even compression of the gasket. Do not over-tighten, as this may warp the adapter ring and result in leaks. The KERDI-LINE channel body will be inserted into the adapter ring and must sit flush with or slightly below the surface of the KERDI Shower-LT LTS tray. Depending on the elevation of the installed clamping ring drain, it may be necessary to raise the elevation of the substrate before installing the tray. The Schluter KERDI-SHOWER-CB compensation board can be used in conjunction with the KERDI-LINE-A to raise the shower tray to the appropriate elevation. The required underlayment thickness can vary with the installed drain elevation and shower tray thickness. Make sure to measure and dry fit components before installation. The KERDI-SHOWER-CB is lightweight, easy to cut, and may be used over both plywood and concrete substrates. Any leveling of the floor must be done prior to the installation of the compensation board. Apply any of our Schluter thin-set mortars or an unmodified thin-set mortar to the substrate, using a 1/4 inch by 3/8 inch square or U-notch trowel. Place the compensation board and solidly embed in the mortar. Using the same trowel, apply thin-set mortar to the compensation board. Place the KERDI Shower-LT or LTS shower tray and solidly embed in the mortar. Next, we will install the KERDI-LINE channel support and channel body. Apply thin-set mortar to the area where the channel support will be installed. Press the channel support firmly into the mortar to ensure full support. Apply additional thin-set mortar to the top of the channel support. Install the KERDI-LINE channel body on the channel support. Check for level. Install the KERDI collar using any of our Schluter thin-set mortars or an unmodified thin-set mortar. Apply the mortar with the Schluter KERDI trowel, which features a 1/8 inch by 1/8 inch square notch design, or a 1/4 inch by 3/16 inch V-notch trowel. Install the KERDI collar and embed using the flat side of the trowel or a drywall taping knife. Make sure this connection is secure. Clean the excess mortar from the channel body. Installation of additional shower substrates, such as KERDI Board SC shower curbs and waterproofing, are done as usual, ensuring a 2-inch overlap at all junctions. The installation of the KERDI-LINE-A within a waterproof shower assembly is now complete. When installing KERDI-LINE-A with a mortar base, follow the same process for installing the adapter ring. Before installing the channel support and channel body, place loose mortar around the inlet hole in the floor. Pay close attention to filling the area over the existing drain and adapter ring. Install the channel support. Using the channel support as a guide, continue to create a mortar base with the necessary slope in mind. Then, slide the channel body into the adapter ring and solidly embed in the mortar to ensure full support. Check the drain for level and adjust as required. Allow the mortar base to set. Clean any excess mortar from the shower base before beginning the waterproofing application. We have successfully converted the clamping ring drain to a KERDI-line linear drain and can continue with the Schluter Shower System installation. If you still have questions, please contact our customer support specialists. For more information on Schluter products, visit schluter.com or check our YouTube channel to view our videos.